and we're just gonna make a quick holiday punch. Side note, if you hear some talking in the background, that's just my family. Disregard. Nothing's happening, nobody's breaking in. Just wanted to come in and say that. Okay, back to the video. It's Christmas time, it's holiday time. This is the time where you'll probably be hosting your friends and your family. You just want to have something out on the counter that your friends and family can just fill up their glasses and be in good cheer, okay? So, as my shirt says, I'm full of holiday spirit, and I'm here to make sure that you are full of holiday spirit as well. So, we're making a classic cosmopolitan today. However, at your holiday party, you're not gonna call it a cosmopolitan. You're gonna call it Santa Baby Juice, Rudolph Juice, Elf Punch, Elfin Punch. Something cute, catchy, Christmassy. You're gonna write it on a little card, put it in front of your glass canister, and you're gonna serve it. So, the base of this is vodka. I strongly encourage you guys to stick with vodka, rum, tequila if you're making a large batch of punch for a crowd. It's economical, it's inexpensive on your pockets, and you get more bang for your buck. Speaking of bang for your buck, big bottle tequila, Costco, delicious tequila. I'm sorry, this is not tequila. I'm really full of the spirit. A big bottle of vodka, Costco for the win. So if you don't have a Costco membership, borrow somebody's and go get you a bottle of vodka and get ready to make this punch. So today I'm going to be making it in a cocktail shaker, but of course you wouldn't make yours in a cocktail shaker. You'll put yours in whatever type of pitcher you plan on serving yours from. Or if you want to be a mixologist at night, put yours in some cocktail shakers and mix that thing up and serve it, okay? So I've already filled my cocktail shaker with some ice. To that, I'm going to add some cranberry juice because that's the base of the drink. I'm going to add some vodka. I'm just going to eyeball it. For a single drink though, I would probably use like an ounce and a half or maybe like a shot. About a shot or two. But I'm going to eyeball it. So I'm going to pour some vodka. And you want some type of liqueur. So you can use triple sec. I have Grand Marnier on hand. Any type of liqueur that you would normally put in like a margarita, grab it because you'll need it. So you want to put about an ounce of that into yours as well. If you're making it for a party, I would say maybe like 4 ounces. I would use the whole bottle of cranberry juice. I would use about 6 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of liqueur, and maybe about 2 or 3 ounces of lime juice. Now you're welcome to use fresh lime juice. The fresher the better. Or if you don't feel like squeezing all those limes, pick you up a bottle of this rosy sweetened lime juice. It works the same. For me, I am just going to put about a splash in there. So when it comes to serving this, you can go ahead and sugar some glasses. I just put some sugar around my glass, make it like a little snow situation. You can leave them plain. You can get you some cute monogram glasses for your holiday party. You can serve these in martini glasses. You can serve these however you want. You can serve them in a red cup, okay? It's your party. You do what you want to do. I'm going to put my top onto my cocktail shaker. Make sure that's on really well. The last thing I want is for cranberry juice to be going everywhere, okay? And we're just going to give that a good shake. Shout out to my best friend Paris who bought me this cute little holiday shaker set for my housewarming about 3 years ago. And guess what, y'all? We're done. That was so easy. So you're either gonna serve it in a shaker or you're gonna get you a glass canister. You're gonna pour your cranberry juice in. You're gonna pour your vodka in. You're gonna pour your liqueur in. You're gonna pour your lime juice in. You're gonna give that a big stir. Okay, I know I said I was gone. So I added a bit of this Canada Dry cranberry ginger ale. If you like a little fizz in your punches, go ahead and get you a liter of this or a couple of cans. Pour it into that cosmopolitan we just made. Sets it off. Okay, I'm for real on this time. You're gonna sit it on your counter. You're gonna call it Santa's Red Juice. You're gonna call it Elfin Punch. You're gonna call it Rudolph's Sleigh. I don't know. You pick a name. Let me know down in the comment what you would call this. Also, let me know down in the comments what's your favorite party drink. What's your favorite party punch that you like to make, so that you know we can all be festive and we can make some more party punches. I'm just gonna pour this into my glass. Yes. And you can feel free to add ice to this. That's fine. And I'm gonna tell you guys Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you are celebrating. Happy holidays. I hope 2021, the end of this year, is much better to you. If your year has been rough, if your year has been the bomb, baby, drink on up and congratulations. I pray that the blessings continue to overflow in your life. So, cheers, friends. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share with some friends who you would like to party with over the holidays. Go ahead and comment down below your favorite party punch or what you would name this punch. And subscribe. Like, if you made it to the end of the video, honey, you definitely need to subscribe. I will see you guys on tomorrow. And until then, friends, you guys have a